walking Taffy and a little pup. Let's open it. Good job, Grace. Oh, she lost one shoe. So this is the stroller. It's so cute. Look how cute it is. I love the wheels.
And then it's kind of like a bag.
Yeah, so this little bag, you could actually put it on the stroller so you could carry the dog. But you could also make it into a bag. It bobbles ahead. So it's so cute. So she could actually carry it. Here, Barbie. And she could go for a walk with her puppy.
You can go walk her puppy?
Yeah. And just carry him in the bag. Let's put it inside the stroller. They give you this so you could put it on Barbie. And then you clip it here on the rail of the stroller. So that's gonna help you push the stroller. You see these little clips right here? And the dog has some clips right there. So you push it in and snap it. Now we're gonna have Barbie hold her doggy.
Her legs.
Yeah, she could hold Taffy. So there you go. Barbie could hold Taffy. And now she could go for a walk. And the dog walks.
Oh, so cute. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, so cute.
I know, it's so cute. Look, it's going for a walk with her little pup. It's adorable.
Let's go walking.
Okay, let's go. This is fun. Thank you, Grace.
You're welcome.
Wow, this is fun. I love walking Taffy and my puppy. Oh, it's doing sniffies. So cute.
Barbie, do you wanna go walk in there? Oh, you're right. You wanna go? You ready to go in the park?
Yeah, let's do it.
We're going to the doggy park.
Wow, we're here at the park. This is fun. This is awesome, Grace.
This is awesome.
Oh, this is so nice. Let's go. This is so cool. Wow, we're near the beach. Wow, that's awesome. Wow, I love the breeze of the ocean. It's so cool. Let's go. Where are we going, Grace?
We're going to the train.
Oh, there's a train around here? Oh, I know Taffy loves trains. She loves to chase trains.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it, Grace. That is so cool. Let's go. Wow, this is a nice place, Grace. Oh, I see it. I see it. Look, Taffy. Oh, I think the puppy wants to play. I think we had enough of the train, Grace. Can we go to the park? I think the puppy wants to go to the park.
Oh, you're right. Oh.
Okay, let's go, Grace. Let's go to the park. Okay, let's go. Oh, here it is. Thank you, Grace. This is fun. The dogs are going to have a blast. Oh. The puppy wants to get out.
I got you.
Woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof. Oh, they're having fun, Grace. Woof, 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 Oh, okay. Okay, let's go, guys. It's time Taffy on the stroller. I think she's tired. Let's go.
It's time to go home.
Yeah, it's late. Thank you for putting Taffy on the stroller, Grace. Okay, let's go home, Grace.
Okay, we're done in the park.
Yeah, thank you for putting Taffy on the stroller. I think she's tired.
Yeah, he's going to sleep.
Yeah, this was so much fun. Okay, bye, kids. We're going home now.
Bye, kids.
Bye, kids. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Also, if you want to keep watching more of Grace's Funhouse, you could click on the links on the right and on the left to get more of Grace's Funhouse. Bye!